Let me get this straight. I just purchased this wall art and now I have to print it myself? People get hung up on this a lot. Now, as an artist who sells my work as digital files, I want to clear a few things up and show you just how valuable a digital download really can be. I get that when we purchase something, we want something tangible, but this is actually one of the reasons why I get to offer my work at such a reasonable price. You get to do your part, and then you can decide just exactly what you want it to be. Let me explain. First, you purchase the design. I give you the digital file. You can store that file either on a computer or on your jump drive, and then you can take that file and you can either print it off at home, put it in a simple frame, and that's it, or if you want it to fill a larger spot, you can take it to a local printer or even take it to online services and get it formally printed there. So you can decide exactly what format you want. The first option is by far the cheapest. You could potentially change out your wall art as often as you like because you pay so little and you can have it up in 5 minutes if you're proficient with your printer. Say you want something more permanent or you want to give somebody a gift. There's plenty of online services or even your local print shop that are willing to do it for you. The best part is you have so many options doing it this way. So you could get it done on a canvas or a canvas bag or a large print, a coffee mug, a blanket. It's pretty much only limited by whatever you can find somebody to do. So even though it may feel inconvenient at first, there really are so many benefits to it. Not just for you, but for me as well. Now, I don't have to expend the time or money just to guess what the common sizes are, just to have someone email me and say, hey, I really love this, but can you print it any smaller? Now I can spend more time creating new designs and giving you more options to choose from. And you can enjoy the freedom to choose the size, the surface it goes on, the price, the quality, whatever you want it to be. It really is your choice. Thanks for watching. Click the link below to get on my email list and get a 20% discount off of everything in my shop. So enjoy, and I'll see you later, peeps.